This is Brahmi. It looks incomprehensible at the first glance, but trust me, it isn't. Let me show you. This is Devanagari. It is the script that I and many of the Indian viewers can read, hopefully. This Devanagari script originated out of Brahmi. It's very obvious that it did. Let's take the letter K. If we go back to the Brahmi, we can see the clear resemblance. We can do the same thing with other letters. Let's take T. Twist it a bit and we get the same in Brahmi. Here is A and T doing their dance between Brahmi and Devanagari. But this video is not about me teaching you Brahmi, no. Instead, the way we traced back from Devanagari to Brahmi, the journey of 2000 years, we are going to do the same with Brahmi to Indus script and see if we can find any Indus Valley script in it. In today's video, finding Brahmi's connection to Indus Valley. But first, some history. As we just saw, Devanagari originated from Brahmi. But it is not the only script originated from Brahmi. Somehow, all the Indian scripts, Dravidian and non-Dravidian alike, are all linked to the Brahmi. It is perhaps the oldest script found in India that we can read, minus the Indus script for sure for obvious reasons. But it is also thanks to Emperor Ashok for commissioning inscription all across India in Brahmi that we have so much material in it from ancient history. But Emperor Ashok was from 3rd century BC. What about before him? Well, we mostly know that even though Emperor Ashok was responsible for the spread of Brahmi, he wasn't the one who came up with it. Brahmi perhaps existed many centuries before his time. Excavation in last 2 decades by Professor Rajan has shown us pre-Ashokan Brahmi inscription in his findings. These findings take Brahmi back to the 500 BC. But what about before that? Well, we don't have anything. No Brahmi or no other written script, really. We have to go back another 1000 years, around 1700 BC, to find the next script. Our very favorite Indus Valley script. The 1000 years doesn't have to be very dark though. The 1000 years are in dark to us because we don't have any writing samples from these times. And our ancestors are to blame for this. India always had tradition of writing records on palm leaves or any other perishable thing. Even as late as 19th century, we had people conduct census for Indian government on palm leaves. Rock inscriptions of Ashoka were the exceptions, not the norm. So assuming all this, and assuming we just haven't found any records of the missing 1000 years, let's see if it is possible to link Brahmi to Indus Valley script. In earlier video, we have already shown how the fish symbol Ma came into Brahmi by getting flipped. And to start, Indus Valley script was logosyllabic, which means each letter stands for some real life meaning. Let's take the symbol for spear. This is a common symbol in many Indus Valley seals. This spear, if you ask any Tamil speaker, it is called well in Tamil. Let's hold on to that. Using the same trick we used for the letter Ma, we can flip it. It looks familiar. If the spear is well, then it stands for V. And then there is Brahmi later, which is kind of an upside down representation of the same symbol, which is also a V. Same way, let's take Indus Valley symbol for a man. Twist it and we get A in Brahmi, and you just don't have to take my word for it. Again, if we look into Tamil, a man or a person is called An. An becomes A and the letter makes sense. Let's do another one quickly. This symbol here, it's a vessel. Pattiram is what is called in Tamil. That makes it P. And what is P in Brahmi? Well, it's this symbol. Looks just like a vessel as well. Now remember few minutes ago, I talked about lost years between loss of Indus script and emergence of Brahmi? Well, I lied. Not really though. I mean the writing was not completely lost to the sands of time. Let's head to another place. This is Orissa, a bit of a neglected state in today's India, but historically very important. We will head to Vikram Khol cave now. It's not a cave in general. Vikram Khol is this natural shelter. Kind of looks like this. But the important part is, these walls have some inscription on it. Not very visible from the video, but these are dated to be right after the collapse of Indus Valley Civilization, around 1500 BC. The inscriptions look something like this in reality. Let's head to this symbol. This symbol is familiar. We have seen it in many of our Indus seals. It's a man holding something on his shoulder. Now, we have these traditions still today in many places in India. In South, we call it Kavadi. Let's just assume that this symbol is K from Kavadi. Now what does it mean in Brahmi? Well, this is K in Brahmi. Also, in the same Vikram Khol inscription, we also see the symbol T that we deciphered in the previous video. We see this symbol many times here. If we look some of the graffiti from post-Harappan Chalcolithic wares, we see the symbol T many places as well. These wares we can date around 12th to 9th century BC. And if we move to a few centuries later, to Kiladi inscription of early Brahmi, we see our friend T appear here as well, all the way from Indus script. The same symbol T looks like this in modern Devanagari. Feel old yet? Thank you for watching and see you next time.